Welcome to Grandad Reviews. This video could be slightly different. I'm not doing a review, not doing any tips or tricks. I just thought I'd go out and do some filming. So I took my Fuji X-T3, my Fringer Pro 2 adapter, and the Canon 100-400 lens, and I went to a local park called Bradgate Park here in the UK, and I filmed some deers and stags, wildlife, and this is the result. It was all filmed internally on the X-T3 using H.265, 4K, it was Long Gop, 50 frames per second. All the footage was edited and graded in Davinci Resolve. And so let's have a look at how it performed. It's nothing special, just a few shots of deers in the woods. Let's see how it goes. So that's my short video of when I went out and shot with the Canon 100-400. It worked excellently, no real problems, and the actual end video came out really well. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps get the video out to more people. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till later, see you next time.